What is going on, everyone? Welcome to EagleEyeFX, and also on this episode I continue to share with you my weekly watch list on all the trades that I've been watching in the course of this week. Of course, I'm not going to trade everything, but I'm just it's good to always prepare. They say that failing to plan is planning to fail, so I'm just preparing myself, because in the coming weeks or maybe in the coming months, whatever it is, these are the trades that I'll pay attention on, and I'll be looking out too. So guys, remember to show some love by hitting on the subscribe button, by liking, and by turning on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our future videos. All right, so I want to continue on looking at this. So this is a EURGBP, and you can see EURGBP, it was actually on this descending structure over here. Then it broke out, came all the way to this level, came to give us a double top, broke out, gave us a flag. We had not broke out, but we had an impulse move correction. Impulse move now is really been correcting of what we are looking for. Overall is we are looking for selling opportunities, but it's giving us something else, because I'm looking there's a very strong momentum. As you can see, these are actually a weekly time frame structure, weekly time frame. So you see it could still do this, come all the way here, give us a triple top before we see it moving to the downside. But let's go down maybe to the 4-hour time frame and see. So you can see that on the 4-hour time frame, what I had actually drawn. So you can see here, we had this ascending we had this ascending structure. This market was moving to the upside, and then we had a breakout, then we had our first flag, and then we had another breakout. Now we are having a larger flag, of which overall I'll be looking for strong sales to come and complete this 90% rule. All right, so that's what I'm looking for on what is it called, on EURGBP, even though there's a very strong momentum, as you can see. But well, anyway, we have 1, 2, 3 touches right now, and this market could easily come all the way to maybe to that level over there, then before it starts trickling to the downside. And also you can see it's giving us let's go to the 15 minutes time frame, and you can see that as it is approaching this level, it started consolidating. You can see the kind of structure is giving us that it is giving us over here. So it could just be doing this before it just falls to the downside. Okay, so guys, you could watch out EURGBP, and then let's look at the next one, which is EURJPY. Okay, EURJPY. Let me just take this out on EURJPY. So you can see from the daily time frame. EURJPY has given us a descending structure. Okay, and then you can see we had an impulse move correction, and then of course I'm expecting what? Remember, after the impulse move correction, I'm actually looking for what? For continuation. So this one is a continuation that we're looking out for, and that's the reason why you can see that it's actually broken out and is moving on very, 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 very strongly. So you could actually wait for it maybe to come to this level, maybe over here, come and test this level over here, or come all the way to a trend line, and we see if it breaks and gives us a flag, then we are riding to the upside. Or also, if once it is approaching the trend line, it start giving us this kind of pattern, then of course we are looking for what? We are looking for sales the downside, maybe to come and confirm this double what is it called, double bottom. Okay, before now we can be able to do what? To rise with it to the upside. So that is what I am looking at on EURJPY. All right, then we have the third one, which is GBPAUD. Okay, this is GBPAUD. Of course, I am looking for buying opportunities, because we have this descending structure over here. Then we have our first touch over here, second touch over here, then our that touch, we had an impulse move. Of course, I'm looking for correction, then I can continue to buy it to the upside. That's the reason why I have a buy tool over here. It does not mean that I've already entered this trade, right? No, I'm just putting it there to guide me to know which direction I am looking at. Okay, of which there is also another possibility. Let me put a line over here. This market could actually decide to come all the way here, give us a double bottom before we see what? Before we see a move to the upside, or this could be an impulse move correction. So we could be looking at a what? We could be looking at a correction in this level over here, and then we can be able to ride on the continuation. So overall, you can see that from the 4-hour time frame, I'm looking for buying opportunities. Of it, definitely you'll go to lower time frames. Okay, I don't take my entries from higher time frames. I take them from lower time frames. Okay, of which you can go to lower time frames and get your confirmations, and then now you can be able to enter this trade. But you can see something quite interesting here is it's giving us something like that. We had this, so this could just, it could come all the way to here, then give us a double bottom before now we see it going to the upside. So we'll be observing it to see what it gives to us, and then whatever it gives to us, that is what we are going to ride on. All right, so let's go to the fourth one, which is GBPCHF. All right, this is also another amazing trade that you could have taken, of course, in the morning. We are actually on a descending structure over here. I'm looking for we have one, we have our first touch here, we have a second touch over here. I'm definitely looking for a third touch, and overall, if I go to the daily time frame, okay, I'm like, this market could come all the way to come and test at this level over here. That's the reason why I've put my horizontal real line. So the possibility is that this market will actually come down all the way to this level over here. That's a clean 8%, right? Then further down, you can see here when this market came over here, we had this bigger correction over there. Then we had an impulse move. Then after the impulse move, we had this our first flag, and that's the reason why when this market was opening last night, I placed my tool here. So here if you could have actually entered here, then you can see that by now you could have taken some profit of around maybe some 2%. What's 2%? Maybe around 1.9, almost 2%. Okay, yeah, it played out. Then now it has come all the way back to the entry. Yeah, then of course, definitely I am still looking for, I'm anticipating for, I'm looking for could be maybe forming a bigger flag, then now before it sells off to the downside. So that is what I'll be looking at on GBP CHF. Okay, so let's go to the next one, which is GBPNZD. So these are quite also a very interesting. I mean, I really love this setup. It was very clear. So you can see here, we had this impulse move, we had this descending structure over here, and then while this market was approaching this level over here, it actually gave us this correction over here. So if I show you on the, this is on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that this was a clean structure that had formed over here. So that's the reason why last night I put this, because I was to enter here at the breakout, and as you can see, this was at 4.7%, actually played 2.3%, and then it had come all the way back to the entry. And then already you can see that now it's on the down, it's moving to the downside. So you can see here, this could also be a bigger flag that has formed, and you can see a breakout over here, which you can actually enter here and then just just ride this move to the downside. So overall, I'm actually looking for sales at least all the way up to that level over there. All right, so let's look at the next one. Which is Let's delete this. At least our charts are clean. Let's take this out and take that out, and also take this out. Okay, so what we can do is that we can just add this, because these are very clear structure. As you can see, very beautiful flag that is formed over there. So you can see, and also already we can see that we are seeing a breakout of the flag. So this thing will sell all the way to this is something that you can actually sell it off maybe at the close of this candle. Just in the next 3 minutes it will close, and you can enter and right to the downside. All right, let's look at the next one, which is GBPUSD. Okay, same case scenario, GBPUSD. As you can see, even though GBPUSD has played our 90% after this structure, the market came all the way to test here. Came all the way down to give us a double top. Then look, just came all the way, just played the 90%, but down here it has given us a flag. So if you look at maybe let's look at higher time frame bias, maybe look at the weekly time frame. The reason why maybe it might continue to go to the downside is because it's been on the downward trend. It can come all the way to this level over there. That is the reason why you can see that it's playing out like that, of which you can take this. Normally I don't recommend trading these flags at the end of the structure. It's not safe, because mass psychology could play out and you could easily find yourself on the wrong side of the market. So you can see that already this one played actually 3% before. Now we are seeing that it's coming back all the way to the entry, but you can see you could easily say this is an impulse move. This is the correction then we're looking for a continuation. Here we had 1, 2, 3 touches there. Then you can see that then we had a breakout here. Then if you go to the 15 minutes time frame, after the breakout, you can see we had our first flag of which we could have entered. Then perhaps this is another flag that is forming for us to see a move to the downside. Okay, so let me know in the comment section what you think. Then the last but not the least, maybe let's look at USDCAD. All right, this is USDCAD. Let's start from the weekly time frame. So from the weekly time frame, you can see that USDCAD came all the way. Then of course it broke out this structure and then it moved to the upside. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. All right, so you can see it broke here, did a retest, of course, came to find support in this level over there. Then now it's been on upward trend. Then you can see it gave us a very clear flag over there. Then we saw a what? We saw a breakout. Then you can see that now it's trying to come down. So my bias was, this will just play out all the way to this level over here, come and give us a clean double top before maybe let's take this out, before maybe it could play out all the way to this level over here to the downside. Okay, because as you can see from the higher time frame, from a bigger picture, you can see we are actually looking for selling opportunities, because this is an uptrend. And also this is the clean, you can see this is what will be forming an M, then to play out to the downside. All right, so guys, that is what I'm looking for on those particular pairs. Leave me a comment on the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about these pairs, guys, and I'll be happy to read and to reply you guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is EagleEyeFX. Remember to hit the subscribe button, guys. Remember to like, remember to share, and remember to turn on the notification bell. All right, guys, signing out.